I'm getting myself ready to go, leaving KOA in this little town of Foss. I think this may be the only thing that is in Foss, but I am on Route 66. I woke up to just huge winds. The tent was actually blowing on top of me. The poles were bending. I had earplugs in, so I didn't hear the wind. I think I actually slept okay, but it's really been a challenge camping here, that's for sure. And because it's so windy, I can't bring my stove out, so I'll have to find some food along the way. But Myrtle's pretty much ready to go here. The site did have electricity, so I was able to get everything charged up, and the KOA has a little cafe, so they had a little Keurig, so I could get some coffee too. So yeah. So all right, let's head on down Route 66. Come on, Myrtle, let's go. All right, leaving little KOA, and it is right on Route 66, so I do not have far to go to get on the road. Can't exactly get lost out here, even though there's never any traffic. Always want to check, look both ways. And it's very, very windy out here, but I think the wind is going to be kind of behind my right shoulder. And in fact, it may actually turn into a tailwind as the road turns a little bit to the north. I've got about 51 miles, and I'm going to check out another campground. I mentioned it yesterday, and I had a couple people say it may not be very safe, but I'll check it out. I think there's a couple of hotels nearby. If I need to, if I don't feel safe, I can go there as well. The camping last night was really hard. It was so windy. And luckily, I have earplugs, so I think I actually slept pretty well. I am leaving the little town of Clinton, Oklahoma, and following directions on Route 66. And I just heard from a couple of trikers that very generously are going to host me in Oklahoma City. They are concerned about the weather. It's very warm, overcast, feels like a storm is brewing. Temperature is supposed to get up to 80 today. And so they just wrote to me and asked if they could come pick me up. And they're a little bit worried about where I was thinking about camping tonight. They said it may not be the safest place, and they feel like it would be better just to scoop me up off the road, get me to their house. And I'm very, very grateful. So I'm just going to continue riding until Leroy finds me. Get back on Route 66 here in Oklahoma.